Tired of complicated and expensive money transfers? Let's ditch the stress and show you how to send money from the USA to Pakistan quickly and easily using Remitly. First, if you don't already have an account, head over to Remitly's website or download their app. Click on the sign up button and fill in your email address. Create a strong password and select the United States as your sending country. If you're already a user, simply log in with your credentials. Once logged in, initiate a new transfer. You'll need to enter your recipient's full name as it appears on their official ID, their address in Pakistan, and their phone number. Accuracy is key here to avoid any delays. Next, choose your delivery option. Remitly offers several options for Pakistan, including direct bank deposits, mobile wallet transfers to accounts like Easy Payso or JazzCash, and cash pickup at designated locations. Select the option that works best for your recipient. Now, enter the amount you want to send in US dollars. Remitly will automatically calculate the equivalent amount in Pakistani rupees based on the current exchange rate. Pay close attention to the displayed fees and the total amount your recipient will receive. Choose your payment method. Remitly allows you to pay with your bank account, debit card, or credit card. Keep in mind that fees may vary depending on the payment method you select. Bank transfers often have lower fees, but might take a bit longer to process. Before finalizing the transfer, review all the details carefully. Double-check the recipient's information, the amount being sent, the delivery method, and the payment details. If everything looks correct, click Confirm and Send. Remitly employs robust security measures to protect your money and personal information, but always be cautious about scams. Never send money to someone you haven't met in person or for suspicious reasons. Also, be aware of your daily and monthly transfer limits, which may vary based on your account and verification level. Once the transfer is complete, you'll receive a confirmation with a tracking number. You can share this tracking number with your recipients so they can monitor the status of the transfer. That's it. You've successfully sent money from the USA to Pakistan with Remitly.